Imagine waking up on a world that looks almost exactly like Earth. Blue skies, rolling oceans, familiar continents. A place where, at first glance, you'd swear humanity could pack its bags and move in tomorrow. But within seconds, you'd realize you've stepped into a death trap. Because this Earth-like planet hides something so dangerous, so fundamentally hostile to life, that landing there would be the last mistake anyone ever makes. Stay with me until the end, because what you're about to hear will change the way you think about habitable worlds forever. And trust me, the twist behind what makes this planet deadly is something you do not want to miss. And if you're new here, welcome. You're about to explore one of the most deceptive planets ever discovered. Scientists call it a near-Earth analog, a world that mirrors our home in size, mass, and even temperature. When astronomers first detected it, excitement exploded. Headlines called it Earth 2.0. Some even speculated it could host life. But that optimism didn't last long, because the closer researchers looked, the more they realized this planet wasn't a second Earth. It was a perfect imitation with one fatal flaw. Imagine standing on its surface. The gravity feels normal. The horizon curves just like it does here. The sunlight warms your skin. You breathe in, except you can't, because the air isn't air at all. It's a toxic cocktail of gases that look harmless but act like a silent assassin. The atmosphere is thick with compounds that mimic oxygen's behavior in early scans, tricking instruments into thinking the planet might be breathable. But in reality, inhaling even a single lungful would cause your blood to turn acidic, your cells to rupture, and your nervous system to shut down in seconds. It's not just poisonous, it's aggressively corrosive to biological life, and that's only the beginning. The oceans, which from orbit appear calm and blue, are not made of water. They're filled with a liquid that behaves like water under the planet's temperature and pressure. But chemically, it's closer to a solvent used in industrial cleaning. Dip your hand in and it wouldn't burn it, would dissolve slowly, painfully. The planet's seas are vast basins of molecular destruction, capable of breaking down organic material with terrifying efficiency. If Earth's oceans are the cradle of life, these oceans are the cradle of death. Halfway through the video, if you're still here, you're clearly as fascinated by deadly worlds as I am. So if you're enjoying this journey, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another deep dive into the strangest places in our universe. Now let's go even further, because the most dangerous part of this planet isn't the air or the oceans. It's something far more subtle. The planet's surface looks stable, solid ground, rocky terrain, mountain ranges that resemble Earth's. But the crust is a ticking time bomb. Beneath your feet, chemical reactions churn constantly, releasing bursts of energy that behave like micro-explosions. They're invisible, silent, and unpredictable. One moment you're standing on firm soil, and the next, the ground beneath you destabilizes as pockets of reactive minerals ignite. These reactions don't produce fire, they produce shockwaves. Enough force to shatter bones, rupture organs, and send debris flying at lethal speeds. Imagine earthquakes, but happening in tiny, rapid pulses all around you, triggered by the slightest disturbance. Even walking could set off a chain reaction. And yet, despite all this, the planet looks peaceful, beautiful even. That's what makes it so dangerous. It's a perfect illusion. A world that visually promises life, but chemically guarantees death. A cosmic trap disguised as a home. Scientists believe this planet formed in a region of its star system rich in volatile compounds. Over billions of years, it developed Earth-like features purely by coincidence. Similar mass, similar temperature, similar orbit. But its chemistry diverged dramatically. Where Earth developed water, oxygen, and carbon-based life, this planet developed corrosive oceans, toxic air, and unstable minerals. It's a reminder that habitability isn't about appearance, it's about chemistry, and chemistry does not care about our expectations. Now imagine future explorers arriving there. They descend through the atmosphere, sensors showing Earth-like temperatures and pressures. They see continents, oceans, clouds. Everything looks perfect, but the moment they open the hatch, the planet reveals its true nature. Their suits begin to degrade, their equipment corrodes, their instruments malfunction, the ground trembles beneath them, and within minutes, the mission becomes a desperate attempt to escape a world designed to kill. This planet forces us to rethink what Earth-like really means. It teaches us that life is fragile, rare, and dependent on a delicate balance of conditions. A balance that, so far, only Earth has mastered. And while we dream of finding another home among the stars, worlds like this remind us that not every familiar face is friendly. Some are deadly imitations. As we reach the end of this video, I want to hear from you. What do you think is the most dangerous part of this planet? The toxic air, the dissolving oceans, the explosive crust, or the fact that it looks safe when it absolutely isn't? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another journey into the mysteries of our universe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.